1,000 years ago, they were our highways because we had Birch Bark Canoes, which really was the vehicle for us because we didn't have any other means of transportation other than walking. You know, in the wintertime we'd snowshoe. So if we wanted to transport, several hundred pounds from one area to the next, we either had to carry it, walking through the forest, which could be very tricky, or we could load a canoe with several hundred pounds and go across the water. So across the lake with really quite a bit of ease because on a calm day, you just paddle and away you go. And one trip you can take several hundred pounds, where to get there in the other way was to walk around the lake, and a rough terrain would have been really challenging. So